Guys, and welcome back to another video, and today with gaming in mind we are about to add Fortnite to our Steam library so that we can use GameStream, which is something that we love here, to be able to play on our Android tablets or Android TV boxes games that are installed on our computers. And Fortnite is a very popular game, not that I'm good at it, I suck, but nonetheless it was a bit of a challenge, tweaking here and there, and just want to share with you guys, and hopefully this video will be useful. And don't forget to check PureVPN, one of the fastest VPN services that I've used so far, with apps for almost any platform, including Android and Android tvOS devices at an affordable price, so don't forget to check the link down below. Now, first of all, we will need to add the game. Well, before that, we will need to install the game, as you guys know. After that, we will need to add to our Steam library. And if you take a look and if you search the web, we will find information about a few executable files. Now, I will show you on screen one of the folders that contains two executable files. I did try those, and what happens with those is that I don't need to use the launcher. Once it opens, it will ask me every single time for my password, username and password, and using a tablet or an Android TV box, we don't even want to put our username and tablet because it's really complicated. We don't have a keyboard right over here, and that's not the point. We want to get easier and not more difficult. So what I did was to try and use the Epic Game Launcher, which is not probably the best way, but it's a good workaround, and I will show you guys the location of the folder so that it's easier for you. But basically I will need to open my Steam library and then go to where it says add game, and then add non-Steam game, which we'll find down below, and then we will select browse and go to the launcher location. Now basically the launcher location, as you guys saw, it's on program files x86, Epic Games, launcher, engine, binaries, Win64, and there we will select the exe file Epic Games Launcher, and we will need to add the game, and if we want, rename it. And of course, as you guys know, we can change icons and also banners. I did change the banner so that it looks a little bit better, and that is it, guys. The only thing that we need to take attention as well is that we will need to have the Epic Games Launcher closed. So go to the settings and don't allow it to turn on as soon as our computer turns on, because that will not work. Okay, we will need to have it completely shut down, not on the tray, on the icons tray. It needs to be completely off so that we can make it boot or make it run through game streaming using a tablet with Steam Link and so on and so forth. Now what we are going to do is I'm going to show you guys right over here. I'm going to open Steam Link just so that we can see how it works. And right now I've got my Steam Link open here on the Xiaomi Mi Pad 4. By the way, Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 and iPega 9023, I leave the links down below. I really love this gamepad for tablets, which makes a really nice combo. But moving on, here I am with my controller shut down, so I'm going to turn it on really quickly. As you guys can see right over there, just connect it so I can control it, and I'm going to start playing right over here. And of course I could choose don't shoot this again, but let's just continue. And it's connecting to my computer, and if you take a look, here it is connected, so you guys will be able to see both screens and hopefully this one as well. And here I can go to my library, and on my library I've got my installed games, and one of which is Fortnite. Now Fortnite, as I said, we are going to push play, and it's not going to open the game directly, it's going to open the launcher, as we will see in just a few moments. Here it is, the launcher. Have in mind that I'm using a bigger resolution than 1080, so what we are seeing here is the scaling. My computer is using 1440, so if you take a look at my desktop right now, you can see that the launcher is smaller, but if you take a look at the tablet, is displaying 1080 at 60 frames per second, so all is okay. You can even use 4K on your display, that there's no problem at all. Now what I'm going to do right now is to press launch right over here, and it's going to start launching the game even on the background. If I press play, oh, I didn't press the launch, so we will need to press right over here so that it launches, and then it will say running busy and so on and so forth, the regular message of the Epic Game Launcher from Fortnite. We will wait a few seconds. Here we are loading, and in a few seconds or so we will be ready to play, as you guys will have the chance to see. And one very important thing is that it will not ask me for the username and password because we are using the Epic Game Launcher. And that is it. Here we are on the intro screen. Here, as soon as I touch my gamepad, it will recognize that I'm using a gamepad, and right now I'm going to press A so that I can get in. And here it is, fully functional, so a great experience. I've tested it out, although I suck at this game, and I did install it because my kid, my oldest one, wanted to play this game because all his colleagues play. I did try it, I suck. I will try to share a video with you guys so that you can see that I really suck. But it is a cool game, I have to give that to them. But in terms of the game itself, I just want to show you one more thing, is that we have all controls. If I press right over here, I can just move around with the menus and so on and so forth, just like we can do with the NVIDIA Shield TV that my kid has been using to play this game right over here. And right now I just want to show you one more thing, guys, is if I want to quit the game, I just go here to shut off and just press it. It will ask me if I want to quit Fortnite, and I will press A to confirm. And now if I want to go back to my Steam library, I will need to completely shut the launcher. So not minimize or whatever, just need to press here the cross so that it shuts off completely, and I can go back to my library and I can play any other game. And if I want to go back to Fortnite, it will work okay. Just for curiosity, I can go right over here and go to play. Here we go. And then if I press launch, sometimes, I don't know, it doesn't register my finger right over there, but here it is, launch, and then it will go. It will do the same, and it will run the game as we did previously. And guys, basically this is it. While the game is launching, I will wrap up this video, and there you go, it's on screen, the game, it's launching and loading and so on and so forth. So you guys know better than me the screens of this game. And that is it. Hopefully this video was helpful for some of you guys that are looking to get a way to use Fortnite on your Steam library so that you can game stream with any of your devices. And if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up. My name is Roberto Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.